Today's recipe is some banana strawberry ice cream. Healthy ice cream for the kids and yourself, okay? And so try this recipe at home and you are going to enjoy it. Okay, so please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video and leave a comment for me as well. So we are going to make use of these bananas, very ripe one. So all that you have to do is keep it in the freezer overnight. So I freeze it for 24 hours, and my strawberries also. Yes, so these are what you're going to do. You're also going to make use of soya milk. This is, yes, soya milk. It's just a little. And so we are using food processor. You can choose to use your blender, but I know when you use blender, by the time you finish, you can't take everything out. And the soya milk, I'm just using about 2 tablespoons. Yes, just to aid it. Yes. So I'm going to blend everything. So just freeze your bananas overnight. Put it in the freezer overnight. Your bananas and your strawberries, just freeze them. Yes, and that'll be okay. And when you take it out of the fridge, just allow it to thaw a little. It's still not smooth for me, so I am going to continue blending. Yes, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and do well to leave a comment as well. Okay. Okay, so this is it. But I'll still blend it a little because I want it to be very, very, very smooth. Yes. And what I'll do is I'm going to pour the same and I'm going to whip it a little. It is not really a must for you to do it, but I'm going to pour this and then change the blade and use my my disc, yes, to whip it a bit. As I said, it's not compulsory, but I decided to just add this process also to it. Yes, adding some vanilla flavor to it, which is optional. So just whipping to get it a bit fluffy. Yes. Okay, and so after this I'm going to pour it. So I'll just pour it into my dish, and then yes, so I'm going to freeze this. Yes, so I'm going to put it in my freezer for it to freeze. So this is it. After freezing it, this is our banana strawberry ice cream. Give this a try and you will love it. This is better than the ones you buy out there, full of sugar and color. This is all natural. I didn't add any sweetener to it because everything there is sweet. The banana is the ripe, very sweet, and so this is it. Okay, give it a try. As I said, you can use your blender also for it. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share this video, subscribe for me. Bye bye.